What's going on, App Grind Nation? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to make money doing what you're doing right now? Watching this video. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I have a message for my small YouTubers out there. Are you struggling to get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel? Well, today is your lucky day. I have the tool just for you. Just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. This same tool has increased my views and subscribers from 20 subscribers all the way up to almost 300 subscribers within a month. And your channel can too. So go ahead and click on that link below. This tool is absolutely free for you to download. Again, it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers. I also have a Patreon account. Now, my Patreon website, I give people perks and other special giveaways when you join this site. So all you have to do is just click on the link below that says App Grind TV Patreon. Just click on that link, join that site, and you will get special perks every week. You can win giveaways and you can win money every week. So go ahead and click on that link. I also have other free things that you can download, and these things will help you on your journey as you try to make money online. Just also click down on those links below where it says free giveaways. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to give you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money watching videos. Let's get it! Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called earnably.com. And what this site is, they pay people to do surveys and also do small tasks and pay people to watch videos. So I'm in my account right now, and here's the offer walls, and this is what they offer right here. It says earn points by completing offers with any of our partners below. So this is their partners right here. That's who they partner with. So what you're going to do is click on any one of them and complete their offer, and you can accumulate points. As you accumulate points, you can return those points in as rewards for gift cards, or also turn it in for PayPal money. All right, now let's go to the menu. See right here it says redeem. So you can redeem for PayPal or Amazon gift card or reward card, Dynamo's Pizza, Dunkin' Donuts, Target, PlayStation Store, and let's go up here right here says 125 points. That's all you need to cash this money in through PayPal. I don't know exactly how much you would get because I just started myself. And you can, once you get 125 points, you can get a gift card from Amazon. 500 points for Visa debit card. Dynamo's Pizza, 500. Dunkin' Donuts, 325. Target, 125 points. All right. So let's go to the next thing here. Let's go to Earn. And in Earn, as you can see, it has daily surveys. So you can take daily surveys, the videos, the tasks, download apps, use apps, and get paid for using apps. But let's go to videos for the sake of this video. We're talking about making money watching videos. So right here has the videos. Earn points by watching videos with any of our partners below. So Hideout TV. Let's click on there right quick. So right here, earn unlimited points with Hideout TV. Choose a channel to start watching. So let's go there. You can see, let's go back. Food, music, celebrity, viral, best life, gaming, adventure, music, movie buzz, TED Talk, laughs, and the staff favorites. And as you can see down here, whatever video you pick to watch, you get 0.7 points here, 0.7 points. So when you watch all these, the points add up. And before you know it, you can get to that 125 points and cash it out through PayPal. All right, and what you can do is, if you don't have time to look at these videos, you can just click watch and go do whatever you want to do while this video just running in the background. All right, let's go to one other place here. All right, let's go to invite. So also you can invite people, and it says here, invite a friend to earn ably. Share your referral link below with your friends, family, and followers. Just make sure you follow our referral guidelines at all times. And it says earn. Now here's the big part right here. Earn 10% of their earnings forever. So what they're saying is you'll receive 10% of everything that your referrals earn by completing offers, completely unlimited for life. Now, isn't that something? So once they sign up on your link, every time they complete an offer, watch a video or whatever, you get 10% of their earnings. Once they, turn that into PayPal money, turn those points into PayPal money. And let's see, number 3 here says, keep referring new users, keep referring your friends to earn ably, and watch your earnings stack up. Feel free to use our promotional banners on your blog or website. And so that's how that works. All right, so if you're interested in watching videos and making money off of your friends watching videos, check this out, earnably.com. All right, now you know the website you need to go to right now to start making money just by watching videos. So go ahead and go to that site, sign up, and start making that money just by watching. Now, thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. And as promised, I have a proposition I want to give to you guys. If you guys can help me get to 300 subscribers, what I'm going to do is reward a lucky person with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is just leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos leading up to the 300 subscriber. I'm currently at 287, so I don't have that far to go to make it to 300 subscribers. Now, what I'm going to do is, once I reach the 300 subscriber milestone, I'm going to reward a lucky person with $20 cold hard cash or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. Now, please leave that comment down below and subscribe if you're new. All right, that's all I have for this video. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this video on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, that's it. I'm done with this video. It's a wrap. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay and watch my recommended video right here, or you can watch my most recent video right here, or you can watch all my videos right here. After I tell you this, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.